Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can reply a comment with a video on TikTok. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile and we can select a post that we want to reply the comment on. And for example, I'm going to reply comment on this post. Click on the post and we can go to the comment section. Alright, and here as you can see that I got a comment from an account on TikTok, and here we can click on reply. Click on reply, and we can click on this video icon to reply this comment with a video. And you can take a video with TikTok camera, or you can also upload a video from your device. And for instance, I'm just going to upload a video from my device. I'm going to reply with this one. Okay, and this is the preview, and we can click on post to post this video as a reply for this comment. And I guess that's how we can reply comment with a video on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.